Good morning. First one of the day. I think we've got a new minger of the month. Triumph. She is hanging. Bonneville 1200 daily commuter. Never been washed or not been washed in some time. Doesn't look like it's ever had any corrosion protection on it. So we're going to do one of our full Monty valets on. Oh God, look at that chain on this. Get it cleaned up the best we can. We'll clean up all those spokes. Get that chain all lubed up. Loads of bits and pieces to paint. We'll get a nice coating of the XCP clear on it. Unfortunately, the corrosion's gotten to the powder coating on these covers, so there's not a lot I can do on those. I will do a bit of paint correcting on this tank, see if we can revive it. She is absolutely hanging. It is the gentleman's workhorse, so it's a shame it hadn't had any protection on it from new. I could have prevented all this corrosion. She is looking pretty sad for it. Oh God, rust everywhere. Anyways, enough of my jibber jabber. Let's get this thing washed, detailed, and then we'll get it in the studio and crack on with some polishing and some protecting. Wish us luck on this one. There you go. Many hours later, I've done what I can with this minger of the month, I should say. She looks a tad better. We've done what we can. Like I said, it was pretty rusty. Painted loads of bits and pieces, put a nice coating of XCP all over it. All those spokes, every single one has been hand rubbed down. Calipers have all been clean. I've just done a two-stage machine polish. Unfortunately, there's quite a few deep scratches on this tank, so I can't do anything with those. All that chain's been serviced. All your ABS rings have been painted. Every single one of these spokes has been meticulously cleaned. I've put some heat paint on this exhaust. Not much I can do with these side covers as the moisture has got underneath the powder coating. I've painted them all, painted all down the front of the frame, all down the front of the rad. Yes, looks a load better. Not perfect by any means, but she was in quite a state. Get yours booked in now. Don't let it get to this state. Get it properly protected from new, or at least before the winter hits, making sure to keep any corrosion at bay. These bikes, they do last, but they do corrode if they're not properly protected. Nice coating of XCP will stop all that. Anyways, give us a buzz at 07966 249 963.